Common sentences in English. Common sentences in English. Don't sleep long, life is short. Don't sleep long, life is short. Never blame life for your decisions. Never blame life for your decisions. You don't need anything, so trust yourself. You don't need anything, so trust yourself. Make sure the opportunity comes once, so take it. Make sure the opportunity comes once, so take it. Do your best not to regret it. Do your best not to regret it. Don't look back and stumble. Don't look back and stumble. Life is attitudes, so be principled. Life is attitudes, so be principled. Do not regret what has passed and see what is to come. Do not regret what has passed and see what is to come. Without you, I am sad and lost. Without you, I am sad and lost. I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait to see you again.